Today we've decided to go from Christchurch up to Kaikoura, and I've also heard that they have reopened the Ohau Point seal colony. So, little history lesson. Click the little I button in the corner to see that previous video of the Ohau Point seal colony. Scratch, 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 scratch. Now this is a freshwater stream, by the way, too, and this is the only baby seal we've found up here at the moment. Alright, we found where they are. They're actually all out here on the beach where they should be, in the sunshine. That guy was saying, "You're too close. Don't come so close." So 3 weeks after I made that video originally, 3 weeks after it, there was this massive earthquake and all of the rocks came down from the hills and they wrecked the train tracks and they covered over the seal colony. The reason the seals came there is because there's fresh water there. You know, because they want fresh water to drink and stuff. So finally they've built like a new car park. You can go there, you can see the seals. So hopefully we're actually going to see two, not one, but two seal colonies today. Last time I was here, there was another one just right here. Now the seals at this colony, they're pretty used to people being around. But you don't want to get too close and you don't want to disturb them. And these guys, they often just sit right here on the boardwalk. So be careful, don't step on them. Well, this is where the seals live. You come down to the parking lot. There's a toilet there, and out there's the seals. Right where that sort of large crop of rocks is out there, that's where the seals are. In fact, I think I can see one on top of the rocks now. So let me change to the telephoto lens. I'll see if I can zoom in. There's a seal over there, on that big rock over there. They're used to people going close, but you just don't get too close. Oh, but that's good. Shoo, he's sneezing, just like you've been sneezing. It's bad breath. There's a seal right there. You can just see him moving around. Well, we made it to the new Ohau Point seal colony. It's just not the same as what it once was. Over there, where that kind of crescent-shaped valley is, that's where the stream used to sort of come down the mountain and the seals would climb up in the stream. And then the landslides happened, covered it all up. But we can see seals and birds. They're here. that's it. We really need to get going home now. It's 5:30 and it's going to be dark by the time we get home.